In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to effectively search for remote jobs on Indeed.com. So one of the first things that you would want to do is go ahead and create an account. This helps you be able to go back to your recent job searches as well as sign up for job alerts. Now you will go over to the search box. You will need to be as specific as possible, whether you are looking for a data analyst role, medical assistant coordinator, customer service rep, technical support, administrative assistant. The list goes on. And so, what I want to do is go ahead and type in customer service representative. And I do like to put in the keyword remote. Now, you can put in your specific location, but putting in the keyword remote really helps narrow down the remote job positions. Another thing that you can filter is the time range when the job listing was posted within the last 24 hours, the last 3 days, so you'll get the most recent job listings. Now, when I scroll through the jobs, I like to see work from home as well, that keyword as a tag here. Now, you can continue to scroll through. Another place that I like to look is for it to say, remote or work from home right inside of the job description. Now, when looking at the job description, make sure the position or the company is listing as many details as possible. What the company is looking for, the essential job duties, experience, computer requirements, schedule. Sometimes it will show that, as well as the job salary. This will help you really know what the company is looking for, because a vague job description that doesn't really lay out much of what you are doing is a red flag. So keep that in mind. You can also search all the way down to the bottom of the results here and sign up for job alerts. You will see a box down here at the bottom of the results where you can put in your email address and then click activate to get the most recent job alerts sent to you via email. So I hope that this tutorial was very quick, simple for you guys to be able to find remote jobs on Indeed.com. Remember to stay vigilant. Sometimes scam listings will sneak through on this platform, so make sure that you are thoroughly researching every company that you are applying for. Good luck to everyone.